Hey guys, just wanted to show you the car I've been working on. It's a Polski FIAT 125. It's 1986. It had a 1.5 carbureted engine with something around 75 horsepower. I am going to install the BMW M10B18 engine in it, and I hope to get around 110 horsepower. So it will be plenty. The car, I originally bought it with the engine, with the BMW engine, and it ran, but the engine had a total failure. The engine block was cracked, so the water was mixed with oil, and I drove it because I didn't know it, so I practically destroyed the engine myself. I drove it for like maybe 7 days, and then I ripped the whole front off and started the rebuild 3 years ago, and this is where I'm at now. I just put the grill and the lights temporary to see if it fits. It doesn't fit like it should, but it's just a question of work and some precise welding and so on. At the moment, I'm welding the engine mounts and so on. You can't really see any of it, but there's still plenty of work to do. Yeah, but I hope to get it done this year. So just wanted to show you the car that the M10B18 engine is going into.